I was just watching, listening, because I'd already paid for another education program, and I became very disillusioned very quickly. And I came across Kenny, and I was listening, and I was listening. I'd make the comment, I'd make the old emoji, and then Caroline got her first HMO, and she was just so happy. And the fact that he went to her HMO, and he was so excited for her. The minute I saw that, I messaged him saying, we need to talk. And that was that. Here we are. Rise Up's helped me overcome obstacles in that I know that I can do more than I was doing. I became more motivated in myself. I got up, I got dressed, which I wasn't doing prior to actually joining Kenny. I got into even though I'd spent a lot of money on another education, I got up and I did more every day. He made me do more because he's so upbeat, and he's personable, and it was easy. You can't beat it. There is nothing that I would not do. I hate myself if I miss a Monday, but some things in life you can't change, you know. We all get together on a Monday evening, and we all either have a rant or we always have everybody gets something from the network, you know, the people, Kenny, there's always someone who has the answer for you. If you have anything that you need answering. I don't feel isolated in this network. That's it. I'm not isolated anymore. I'm one of many. I've received so much more than I've expected. I didn't expect much in that I'd been on other programs before. So going into Kenny's program, I pretty much thought that it was going to be the same, and what I received is 100-fold better than anything that I've ever done. I've done more in the last 9 months with Kenny than I've done in 14 months with another company that I spent a hell of a lot more money with. And I'm proud of that, and I'm proud of Kenny for helping me. Yeah, I secured my first deal just under 12 weeks on a HMO, 5-bed. No, tell a lie, 4-bed. It took a long time to get it filled, but it's all filled now. I have 4 amazing professional guys in there, and we have a good rapport. I also have an SA, which I took on with a JV partner, Aruka, in July, and that is going really, really well. I've got direct bookings now coming in for next year. So yeah, positive, approachable, and outstandingly good value for money. Don't just watch. Don't watch, don't press an emoji, don't do anything, just jump in. You have to have blind faith. If you know that you've got what it takes, and you're drawn to Kenny and Rise Up, and you're drawn to the network and the people within it, just go for it, because you won't lose.